Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 21st, 2025, and we are going to be looking at Meta, ticker symbol Meta. We'll go over the current news and delve into the charts to see what's going on. We'll look at some key price levels. First, let's check out what the news is saying. Meta stock is currently trading around $501.48, which is down slightly today. Over the past week, it has decreased by minus 12.86% and minus 16.43% over the past month. Analysts have a mixed outlook but generally a buy rating, with an average target price of $597.88. Meta also faces an ongoing antitrust lawsuit from the FTC. Now, let's take a look at Meta on the daily chart. From December 2023 to February 2025, we saw a solid upward trend. Around February 2025, the price hit a high of around $740, and since then, it's been in a downtrend, especially around April of 2025. Now, let's zoom in on the last few months of data to analyze the more recent price action. Since February, we've seen significant volatility. The recent drop could be attributed to news of a potential decline in ad spending from Chinese e-commerce companies due to the U.S. China trade war, as well as Cathie Wood's sell-off of Meta shares. The FTC antitrust lawsuit may also be weighing on investor sentiment. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a closer look at the recent price movement. We can see the downtrend more clearly here, with lower highs and lower lows forming. The stock found some support around the $480 to $500 range, but the bears seem to be winning here. Now, let's take it a step further and check out the 15-minute chart for the last few days of market data. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see very choppy price action, indicating uncertainty and volatility in the short term. The current price is around $501.48, and we can see if it tests support around $500 soon. What's next for Meta? In the short term, watch for a break below $500, which could lead to further downside towards $480. A bounce from $500 is also possible, targeting $520 and $540 as resistance levels. However, given the bearish news flow and the overall downtrend, a bounce to $520 has a higher likelihood. Long-term, if Meta can successfully navigate the antitrust lawsuit and capitalize on its AI investments, a recovery towards the analyst target price of $597.88 remains possible, but the probability is less certain. Keep an eye on news regarding the FTC lawsuit and any developments in the U.S. China trade war. That's all for today's analysis on Explain the Charts. Happy trading!